A Step into the Past Volume 9 Chapter 1, Ambush on the Narrow Gorge. Xiang Xiaolong and Lord Longyang rode out together out of the city, protected front and back by high-skilled bodyguards. After receiving the news that Xiang Xiaolong was about to arrive in Handan, the atmosphere in the city had been very tense, like a tightly drawn bowstring, forcing everyone not to be able to take a breather. Even though everyone was itching for a fight, seemingly very confident, but everyone was afraid that they will be one of the unlucky ones. From this it could be seen that he had built a godlike reputation, no one dared to underestimate him. Lord Longyang brought his horse nearer to him and said, "A euro we haven a euro trademark ti seen Long Shan, a euro." Xiang Xiaolong secretly commended Lord Longyang for being observant. During this dangerous warring period, everyone was always vigilant. If it was any other influential officials, if they had someone as powerful as Teng Yi, they would want him close by to protect them 12 hours of the day. So when Xiang Xiaolong went out without him close by was really something out of the ordinary. He smiled, "A euro this is my first time to a big city. So with all the excitement to go shopping, I wouldn't a euro trademark t feel right without someone to accompany me a euro." Lord Longyang was only asking out of curiosity and not because of some suspicions. Changing his topics, a euro Li Yuan sees brother Dong as #1 rival in love. He has misunderstood your intentions. Eat a euro trademark s truly outrageous a euro. Xiang Xiaolong was confused, "A euro me lord, why do you say this, a euro?" Lord Longyang smiled, "A euro person that Ji Yanran is in love with is Xiang Xiaolong." "Oh. Maybe, Yanran, herself, hasn't a euro trademark t realized." The expression on her eyes when she euro trademark s looking at Xiaolong compared to when she euro trademark s looking at others is totally different. Maybe at that time, she hadn't a euro trademark t realized yet that she had fallen in love with Xiang Xiaolong, but I had known for sure a euro. Xiang Xiaolong got euro trademark s heart trembled in fear. This Lord Longyang is definitely someone with sharp observation skill. If he euro trademark s not careful, he might accidentally reveal his identity from the slight tip of his eyebrow. He must be constantly alert around him. Lord Longyang grunted, "A euro I don't a euro trademark t believe that Ji Yanran and Xiang Xiaolong didn't a euro trademark t already have a secret agreement. As long as we observed Ji Yanran closely, we can surely lure Xiang Xiaolong out a euro." Xiang Xiaolong frowned, "A euro didn't a euro trademark t you also want to take care of learned Lady Ji, a euro." Lord Longyang sighed, "A euro I have always viewed her as an irreplaceable friend. She fell in love with Xiang Xiaolong is a natural thing. Mr. Dong hasn't a euro trademark t yet seen Xiang Xiaolong, he is someone without of this world talents. Regardless of his style of conversation, insight, heart, or spirit, they are all distinctive amongst us. I, myself, would like to be his friend, if we weren't a euro trademark t already standing on the opposite grounds as enemies. But now, I have to find any way to assassinate him regardless of how unscrupulous it might be a euro." Xiang Xiaolong intentionally probed him out, "A euro or even though I know that I don't a euro trademark t have an ounce of hope of attaining learned Lady Ji, but I felt that she has high regard of me. Hey! According to your observation, how does it compare when she looks at me compared to looking at Xiang Xiaolong, a euro?" Lord Longyang nodded, "A euro she truly regards you highly. That a euro trademark s for sure. The problem is she is a once-in-one type of person, unlike that promiscuous lady A." Xiang Xiaolong had the advantage of entering her heart first. You and Li Yuan would be better off to forget about her a euro. Xiang Xiaolong laughed, "A euro situation doesn't a euro trademark t seem hopeless yet. We have someone as powerful as you here, my lord, to take care of Xiang Xiaolong. We can already count down the days that he stayed alive. At that time, wouldn't a euro trademark t learned Lady Ji need to start searching for another person, a euro?" Lord Longyang smiled bitterly, "A euro fact has proven that everyone who underestimates Xiang Xiaolong will end up on the losing ground. No matter how the Zhaos tried to arrange everything, I still believe that Xiang Xiaolong would have ingenious plan to sneak into Handan. With the craftiness of both Liu Buwei and Xiang Xiaolong, how could they have leaked their whereabouts to the other hostile party in Qin? There must be some trap in there. Xiang Xiaolong trembled in fear. He started to realize that this Lord Longyang isn't a Euro trademark a simple person. No wonder he could become Lord Xinlan Ga Euro trademark's formidable adversary. Amongst all of the country's Euro trademark influential politicians here in Handan, beside the heavyweight class Tian Dan, Lord Longyang also needed to be counted in. But his weakness is, hey. It seems like he has fallen in love with himself, so he has confided in himself, hoping to win Xiang Xiaolong Ga Euro trademark's good favor. Oh my god! This is such a complete mess. Such complicated situation. At that time, they had left the Handan city far away, riding along the government road towards the hidden army valley, surrounded from both sides with tall mountains in the open countries in the autumn weather, with withered and fallen leaves. Lord Longyanga Euro trademark's underlings were all seemingly like they have reached the countryside, relaxing and stretching their muscles. Lord Longyang saw Xiang Xiaolong was quiet without a word, knew that he was pondering his words previously, joyfully continued, Xiang Xiaolong has three important enemies, King Xiaocheng, Zhao Mu, and Guo Zhong. As long as Xiang Xiaolong is alive, I am afraid that these three people would not Euro trademark be able to sleep peacefully. Xiang Xiaolong was suddenly filled with uneasy feelings. This was called a soldier Euro trademark's alertness. It didn't Euro trademark need a factual proof for a reason. This time, they were about to enter one of the small narrow gorge towards the hidden army valley. Both sides were surrounded with dense thick forest. If there was an ambush, this would be the idealist place for it. Xiang Xiaolong swiftly stopped his horse. Lord Longyang continued for another 10 or more steps before noticing it and looked back, filled with confusion. Is there a problem, Mr. Euro? When the rest noticed that Lord Longyang had stopped his horse, they all followed his lead. Xiang Xiaolong continued gazing towards the entrance of the narrow gorge, frowned. Have you and Xiang Xiaolong ever celebrate a festival before? Lord Longyang was slightly surprised, turned his horse Euro trademark's head to follow his gaze towards the narrow gorge, ordered his underlings, go open the road for me. More than 10 riders rode out from amongst the crowd towards the narrow gorge. Those persons saw Euro trademark shields were all hanging on the side of their horses. Apparently, they didn't Euro trademark believe that there would be someone waiting to ambush them. Xiang Xiaolong was also extremely puzzled, who would want to take care of Lord Longyang? Could it that he Euro trademark's being overly cautious, raising a false alarm? Lord Longyang relaxed a little as he saw his underlings entered the gorge, smiled, if Xiang Xiaolong came to take care of me, then there must be some kind of misunderstanding. Otherwise, how would he know that I will go to the hidden army valley today? Xiang Xiaolong Ga Euro trademark's uneasiness was growing by the minute. After exercising the meditation method according to the Mahist addendum, his sixth sense had become sharper. It had repeatedly saved him from dangerous situations, otherwise he might still be nursing his grievances back in Xianyang. Even though the autumn sun was still hanging low in the sky, but he could feel the chill in the air. Lord Longyang shouted, have you clearly thought about what I told you before, Mr. Dong, Xiang Xiaolong felt a headache coming, changed a topic, how come your underlings haven't a Euro trademark come back yet? Even before the words finished spoken, crying sounds could be heard. One of his famous swordsman underling appeared from the gorge, waved from far away indicating that everything got Euro trademark's all right. Xiang Xiaolong was embarrassed for being overly suspicious. On the contrary, Lord Longyang consoled him, Euro trademark's never wrong to be more careful. I admired Mr. Dong alertness, Euro. Everyone continued riding towards the gorge. Lord Longyang spoke in his soft and sweet tone, Mister, have you ever pondered over our current war and what you would do to establish a long-lasting career for yourself? Xiang Xiaolong was amazed at his craftiness. This person definitely has a sharp intelligence, something that most people have long been lacking in this period. He had seen that he trademark S not the type of person will trademark D be happy raising horses his whole life. Theta trademark S why he uttered these words. When they were about 100 steps from the entrance, Xiang Xiaolong suddenly felt alarmed again. But he could only indistinctly catch a blurry shadow and nothing concrete. He casually replied, besides rearing horses, I know nothing about the art of war. Just based on fierceness, how could I lead the 3 armies through the desert? Lord Longyang smiled. Mister doesn't a trademark T have to be modest? Just from looking at how you trademark VE been trained and that you have no fear of death, I know that you have the talent to be a famous general, otherwise, Tian Dan would have ignored you. Now, they were about 50 more steps from the entrance, the front guards had started to enter the gorge. An idea suddenly flashed through Xiang Xiaolong trademark S mind. He whipped his horse and shouted, kick. Turn around, now he realized the reason for his uneasiness. Lord Longyanga trademark S underling that passed the safe signal before quickly returned the gorge after signaling. It just didn't a trademark T make sense. Inside the gorge, there were 10 more Lord Longyanga trademark S personal bodyguards. As a reconnaissance team, they should have guard the entrance and exit of the gorge, along with all of the strategic points inside the gorge until Lord Longyang passed through before withdrawing their position. Otherwise, if the enemies ambush from the entrance and the exit, wouldn't a trademark T they be surrounded and died inside? Xiang Xiaolong also wasn't a trademark T basing this from the carelessness of Lord Longyanga trademark S underling alone, but because he had been on guard the whole time, he finally realized that if his enemy was planning on ambushing them there, they wouldn't a trademark T have placed anyone in the dangerous zone. Theta trademark S why he quickly rushed back in. This time, Lord Longyang and his 4 personal bodyguards all frowned at him. They all felt that he trademark S being too extremely cautious. The front guards ignored his warning and kept on riding into the entrance. Lord Longyang forcefully reined in his horse to be polite. As he was about to speak, a tragic scream could be heard faintly coming from the gorge. Everyone a trademark S face paled. Suddenly, a stream of enemies flow out from inside the gorge, each one of them was holding a crossbow and arrows, and stringing them on. The front group of 10 or more soldiers jumped off their horse and prepared a front-line defense. At the same time, killing shouts could be from all 4 corners. From both sides of the dense forest, the enemies flowed out. In an instant, enemies could be seen everywhere. All of these people dressed as common people. As far as the eyes could see, there must be at least several hundred people. Lord Longyang personal guards, even though they were elite soldiers who have experienced 100 battles, but there were many enemies compared to them. Crossbows were also hard to guard against. Without any time to prepare, the trademark VE been ambushed and were now in complete disarray. Xiang Xiaolong ducked down and avoided 2 arrows, but from underneath, he could hear a pitiful neigh and the horse reared up. He didn't a trademark T even get a chance to see where his horse had been shot, both feet fiercely kicked off, forcing him to lean sideways and fell off the saddle. He leaped across towards Lord Longyang, held on his waist and leaped off the horse. Both fell on the bushes on the side of the road. Lord Longyanga trademark S saddle had long fallen off the horse, it was filled with arrows. Lord Longyang was the enemy trademark S main goal. His number 1 underlings, Jiaosu, and other unhurt underlings all jumped off their horse and rushed in to protect Lord Longyang. Lord Longyang was about to join in the fight when Xiang Xiaolong dragged him back to the forest. Surrounded on all 4 sides with battles, all around killing sounds can be heard. The enemies had finished their first batch of arrows and hurrying to reload their arrows. This was exactly the perfect time to escape. Wind of swords swished through. Xiang Xiaolong Ga Euro trademark's back was leaning against the grass. He moved his 2 feet, continuously pressuring the enemy's back. Those 2 people screamed in agony. While trying to scramble away, they rushed into 3 other attacking enemies. A Euro Erklang, A Euro Xiang Xiaolong pulled out his long sword out of the sheath, followed with 2 people spilled their blood. When he leaped up, Lord Longyang shook out of his reverie, pulled out his sword and sprung forward. A Euro swish, A Euro his sword flew like a water dragon, slaying 2 rushing enemies instantly. Jiao Su and the other 10 more guards fought and retreated at the same time towards the forest while protecting them both. Xiang Xiaolong knew that they were in danger just from looking that they were surrounded on all sides by the enemies. He quickly determined the best way to break out of the enemy A Euro trademark's barricade, shouted, A Euro follow me, A Euro he waved a round blood wave, leaving behind layers of the sword A Euro trademark's shadows, leading the way out of the barricade and deep into the forest. His swordsman skill was superb. His strength surprised others. Moreover, inside the forest, the enemies were unable to take advantage of their numbers to crush them. They were truly swept over by the wind. A Euro Edang, A Euro one of the enemy was chopped off by him to the point of scaring away all of the onrushing enemies. But this scene would only last for a second before the reinforcement arrived and countless enemies rushed forward again. Xiang Xiaolong entered the Mohista Euro trademark's defensive mind, calmly leading Lord Longyang and the others deeply into the forest, even killing 7-8 enemies on the way. Xiang Xiaolong took advantage of this time to observe Lord Longyang and the others. At this time, besides Jiao Su, there were only 7 people left following them. Every one of them was badly injured. The situation was extremely dangerous. But the enemies kept coming like tidal wave. Even though Lord Longyang forged ahead courageously, but he was covered in blood. Not sure though whether Ida Euro trademark's his blood or the enemy's A Euro trademark blood splashed onto him. His right back shoulder was blotched bright red. Xiang Xiaolong wildly shouted, swung his sword backhand and penetrated the abdomen of the raid soldier, followed with a flick of his wrist to fend off an attack from the left side. While the opponent dodged his attack, in that instant of gap, he continuously attacked, wildly stabbed, and hardly penetrated the enemy A Euro trademark's chest. When the enemies saw how brutal he can be, they all retreated, allowing him to enter by several meters. A Euro Epan, A Euro Lord Longyang staggered and bumped into his back. It seemed like he Euro trademark D been injured again by the enemy A Euro trademark's poisonous hand. Xiang Xiaolong shouted loudly, A Euro Edan A Euro trademark T worry about me, A Euro he waved his sword, killing another attacker. A Euro Erg, A Euro one of the guard injured badly and toppled over, the situation had just become more critical. Xiang Xiaolong Ga Euro trademark's blood wave sword was like a lightning. Within a move, an enemy instantly met with a violent death. He fiercely pulled Lord Longyang, at the same time, he called out to Jiao Su and the rest, A Euro follow me, A Euro forcing his way into the left side of the enemy A Euro trademark's net, he repeatedly waved his blood wave, forcing the enemy to retreat one by one. During this time when they were bathed in blood like the war, Xiang Xiaolong displayed his boldness, strong stamina, and his years of strict training as an elite soldier. He was like a never-tiring machine, moving freely amongst the enemy formation. Amongst all this, he still didn't Euro trademark T forget to examine all 4 surroundings. He saw on the left-hand side, not far away, there was a slope road. Theta Euro trademark SY he called Lord Longyang and the others to follow him to break through the formation. One move of attacking to defend executed quickly and violently. A Euro Erg, A Euro the enemy A Euro trademark S sword was split in half. While he was shocked, Xiang Xiaolong moved sideways and kicked him, causing him to spew out blood repeatedly and fell on the big tree behind him. Xiang Xiaolong dodged right and left, swung backward and stabbed the left chest of the enemy that tried to surprise attack him from behind. While at the same time, he moved and tackled the enemy till he tumbled down and met the earth, Up till now, he had succeeded in breaking out and killing all the way to the edge of the slope. The pressure had been reduced. Gazing downward, he saw a strong flowing river. Xiang Xiaolong was overjoyed. He turned back, pulled out his sword swiftly and broke into the formation surrounding Lord Longyang, Jiaosu, and the rest. Amongst them, one was at the end of his life. Xiang Xiaolong used his sword to forcefully sweep away his enemies, shouted, "A jump down. Theta trademark S the only way to escape with your life A He turned around and pounced on Lord Longyang, grabbing his waist and rolling down the slope, not knowing how many branches and leaves the trademark VE broken and smashed along the way. Jiaosu and the other 5 bodyguards dared not hesitate. All followed his way and rolled down the hills. A splash, splash, all 8 people fell into the river successively, instantly dyeing the river blood red. Xiang Xiaolong grabbed hold of Lord Longyang and swam away following the Rivera trademark S currents. Before long, they had left the place far away. The enemy pursued by following along the river. Up the front, the water noise grew louder like an exploding volcano. Before anyone realized what a trademark S happening, the currents were moving faster and faster. Unexpectedly they had reached the edge of around 7 meters high waterfall. They immediately fell onto the pool below following the waterfall. When everyone was still recovering from the high fall, the current brought them away again. The enemy SA trademark shout was growing quieter as the distance grew. When Xiang Xiaolong, Lord Longyang, and the rest met the Zhao's convoys, it was already midnight. A per thousand AE means the time between 11 to 1 p.m. so midnight would closely reflect that in here. Even though the injuries had been properly bound up, but because everyone had lost a lot of blood and was tired, they all looked pale and exhausted. 2 amongst them even had a fever which required immediate attention. Zhao Mu, Li Cheng, and the rest had already received the news and were waiting anxiously on the gate. Zhao Mu and Lord Longyang had always had a private agreement between each other, while Xiang Xiaolong was his hope of ascending the throne. His heart was burning with worry. On the other hand, if Li Cheng, acting as hand in a trademark S guardian a trademark S general, allowed anything to happen to this important a trademark S official, Lord Longyang, it would be hard for him not to get blamed for it. So, both of them were equally anxious and worried. Both Zhao Mu and Li Cheng scrambled forward towards Xiang Xiaolong and Lord Longyang a trademark S horse cart. When they saw both of their appearance, even though a little bit shocking, but since there wasn't a trademark T any fatal injury, they were both able to breathe a sigh of relief. Lord Longyang was secretly watching Xiang Xiaolong affectionately, strenuously uttered, or if it wasn't a trademark T for Mr. Dong risking his life to save mine, I wouldn't a trademark T have any left to meet you two anymore a Xiang Xiaolong smiled bitterly. It could be said that Lord Longyang is his number 1 mortal enemy, but at that time, there was no time to think about this problem. Even if he had this idea, he wouldn't a trademark T be able to not rescue him when he saw it. This was so like what Tian Dan had analyzed. A soft-hearted, a is truly his biggest weakness. Li Cheng heavily said, did you see Xiang Xiaolong, a Xiang Xiaolong and Lord Longyang were both astounded. The latter frowned, it doesn't a trademark T seem like it was Xiang Xiaolong. But during those chaotic situation, we only cared about escaping, using the river to escape, and didn't a trademark T have the time to see clearly who the enemy might be a Li Cheng replied, a trademark VE already sent out soldiers to seal off all roads and scout the area. Hopefully, we will receive the good news soon to report to my lord a Lord Longyang and Xiang Xiaolong knew that he didn't a trademark T have any confidence of this just from listening to his tone. The raiding party surprisingly was able to slip within 15 km of the area surrounding Handan in great secrecy. It wouldn't a trademark T surprise them if they had already prepared an escape route. But who would want to get rid of Lord Longyang? Xiang Xiaolong of course knew that it wasn't a Euro trademark T he himself who was responsible. Lord Longyang wasn't a Euro trademark T sure whether the reason why he wasn't a Euro trademark T interested in speaking up was due to the injuries he had sustained. Both Zhao Mu and Li Cheng personally escort Lord Longyang and Xiang Xiaolong separately returning to their residence. Shan Rou and the Tian sisters had long heard of the news and were both waiting in front of the gate to welcome him home. Li Cheng then took leave. Shan Rou complained, "A Euro, if I knew, I would have come with you." A Euro Wu Guo was confused. "A Euro, are you who did it? A Euro." Tian Zhen and Tian Feng supported him inside towards the inner chamber. Both sisters had long been crying till their eyes were red and swollen. Xiang Xiaolong bitterly smiled. "A Euro, let me rest a little bit before I will explain everything clearly to you, all right, A Euro." Suddenly, he remembered the circumstance of which Lord Longyang Euro trademark S underling lured them into entering the gorge. He trembled when he realized who probably would like to assassinate Lord Longyang. No wonder he Euro trademark S got that long face.